Hello everyone, this is Minita Chaudhary and I am here to help you plan your studies very well. Now you are in a professional course, you are out of your school. During your school life, your teachers used to help you plan out your studies, give self-assessment tests, some class tests, unit tests that would help you prepare for your final exams. But now you are out of your school and this time you don't have any kind of those kind of teachers that will help you you will be catching the fingers of your teacher and that will take your test and you will be able to pass your exams. So this is a professional course where you need to plan your studies by yourself, you need to prepare yourself, you need to take your own self-assessment test so that you pass your professional exams. So understand it very clear. And for any kind of professional exams, it is very important for you to plan your preparations. Only hard work won't give you result. Hard work will give you result till your school times, but after school times you may have heard in case of various professional courses that toppers are also not able to clear the exams. What is the reason behind that? The reason is that they are just focusing on the hard work. They are studying and studying and studying hard and hard. But they have never planned their studies, never planned how they will be appearing their exams. That is what is affecting their studies. So planning is very important along with hard work. So I am here to help you plan your studies for CMA Foundation exams. As you know, we are at the end of the August and the beginning of the September, and the exams of CMA Foundation for December 2022 will most probably be conducted on December. So approximately we are having not less than 3 months in our hand to prepare for the exams. As most of you have started your preparation, have already completed 50% of your syllabus, or if you are doing self-study, you would have covered your 50% of your syllabus. If not, start your studies now and complete the syllabus, gear up, give lots of time, focus on your studies. Study, you are left with only 3 months, give your 100% during this 3 months and you will be getting a good result. You can enjoy after giving your exams, but now just study should be your priorities. So now let's come with me. I have shared a plan for 90 days for the foundation students. You can use this plan that will help you prepare for your exams very well. Let's start. I have divided this 90 days into few segments. That is slots of 23 days twice and then 12 days twice again. Again we have 12 and 8 days. These are few groups of days that I have combined and I have planned the slots for it, during which you will be completing your several rounds of revisions along with self-assessment test. So now let's come to the first 23 days. Here I have taken 2 subjects at a time for combination to studies. So for the first 23 days you will be targeting maths and statistics along with law. You will be taking 2 subjects at a time and targeting to complete both of these 2 subjects in the next 23 days. You can choose any other combination of the subjects. I have chosen this combination considering you need to have, it's better to have a combination of a theory and a practical subjects. Never take 2 theory subjects at a time or never take 2 practical subjects at a time, because that will affect your retention capacity or grabbing capacity in case of theory subjects or practical subjects both. So it is important to take a perfect combination of theory and practical. You can either choose any other combination, but it's better to take theory and practical at a time. I have chosen this combination. You will be completing in first 23 days maths and law. In the next 23 days you will be trying to complete your accounts and eco-management. This will include, what this 23 days preparation includes, this will include first round of self-study, first round of detailed self-study. Here you will be studying everything in detail. You will be studying everything, solving each and every sum. You will be writing down each and every formulas. You will be reading every chapter, each line of the books. You will be solving the questions, MCQs, objectives that is given at the back of your book. That is what the first round will include. It will also include completing the tuitions. Complete tuition classes. One more thing, if you are still having some tuition classes going on, you can set up this combination of 23 days as per your tuition subjects. So that if you are having any 2 subjects going on at a time, just pick one more subject and plan it accordingly. As per your tuition routine, you can just plan it this 46 days as per your tuitions. Just remember, you have to complete all the 4 subjects in the next 46 days. So plan it as per your tuitions. If you have some remaining tuitions or some tuitions that are completed, just set it up as per your tuition routine if it is yet to be done. Just in next 40 days, you will be completing your tuition classes, first round of self-study. If possible, prepare summary notes. Summary notes here will include, just for maths and statistics it will be formula sheet. For accounts you can just mark the important sums. For law you will be highlighting important topics, or also you can note down in your notebook whatever you study in the notes and points, so that you will be having a summary note for law that will help you revise well. You will be having a formula sheet that will help you at a glance revision whenever you solve a sum. So you can prepare a summary note or formula sheet. Formula sheet. And the next thing is mark important questions. Mark important questions. That is all you will be doing in your first round of studies. Now come to the second round of studies, that is having 12 days of 2 slots, during which you will be again completing your second revision for all the 8 subjects. First 12 days you will be picking 2 subjects to revise. Next 12 days you will be picking up the another 2 subjects. So these 12 days will be second round of revision. Second round revision, it is either 6 days per subject or it is 2 subjects for 12 days. If you want to study 2 subjects per day, then you will be having 12 days to complete 2 subjects, and if you want to study 1 subject at a time, then you will be having 6 days to complete a single subject. Like that you will be revising everything, like all the 4 subjects in the next 24 days. That will be a second revision for you. And now after you completed your 2 rounds of revision, you will be having a self-assessment test. You will be taking your own test through solving the past papers. You might have found your past papers in the internet from the website, institute's website, download them, or you will get mock test papers from the institute. Get those, solve them, sit 3 hours, sit how the exams should be conducted, how the foundation exams are conducted. Just in that pattern, sit it, take your own test, check your paper, give yourself marks, analyze your performance, what is affecting your performance, which chapters, which topic has resulted into poor marks. Solve at least 2 papers for each subject. So in this you will be taking 2 days. First 2 days you will be revising complete of 1 subject. On the third day you will be solving 2 test papers and checking them. Then again in the next 2 days you will be revising the another subject, and on the third day you will be again taking solving 2 test papers. Like that you will be having 3 days for all the 4 subjects, 2 days for revision, 1 day for self-assessment test. So like that you will be having 12 days in which you will be doing a third round of revision along with self-assessment test, where you will be solving 2 test papers. So after you have completed 3 rounds of revision and self-assessment test, now you will be at a position where you know which subject is affecting your performance or which topic is where you are lacking, and this 8 days will be compensating that thing. You will be utilizing this 8 days to make up on those topics and subjects where you are weak. Utilize this 8 days, plan it as per your requirement, and study well deeply to those topics, subjects. If you are having any doubt in concept, reach out to your teachers, talk to your friends, understand it from YouTube videos, get it cleared, and know where you are lacking, improve it. After that you can again give a self-assessment test to those papers where you are lacking, and then you will be at a very neutral position where you will be very good in all the subjects and you have validated it with your test papers. So you will be more confident on it. After that, if you have buffer days, you can revise all of the subjects equally. So now you will be ready for your exams. So please try to follow this routine. It will help you a lot in clearing your exams. If you like this video, please click on like and let us know. Please subscribe our channel so that you can get more such videos that will help you in preparation of your exams. And do share with your friends who will be appearing CMA Foundation in December. Thank you.